What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is RLE Plans. My name is Arel and in this video I am doing a plan with me in my catch-all planner. So we are going to do the week of the 11th, 15th, taking out my pages. So for this week, which I was supposed to do last week, but I completely forgot, I am using a kit, not from the Happy Planner. I am using my big box goodies from the HoneyBShop. So the HoneyBShop is the big box is a subscription box from the HoneyBShop that has stickers, papers, washi, and just like gorgeousness all around. I don't know if I'm going to use the papers. I'm kind of saving these for my TN that is coming soon, but I am definitely going to use the washi and the stickers. So I just love everything about this. It's like pink and black, and once upon a time when I was in high school I was obsessed. Like most of my clothes were pink and black, and it just has that punky looking type of vibe back in high school. And then when I saw this, that's what it reminded me of, and I wanted to use it last week. I said that I was going to use it last week, but then I somehow forgot. So yes, so I'm just going to show you guys some stickers. So I'm just going to play with these. I don't know if I'm going to use them all, but I'm not going to use any, like I said, like any Happy Planner stickers for like this spread. I'm going to utilize this entire collection, and I love these boxes. I'm definitely going to use those for sure. And then I have some of the washi that came with it. So I'm definitely going to open that, and let's begin. And this is my spread. So I ended up covering the days, and I know that it has like these little circles on them. That's where you actually put the dates in, but since I already have the numbers up here, I'll probably write like the weather and like the highs and lows of that day. And yeah, like I haven't used a kit in forever, so it's kind of hard to like place things, especially since like the boxes are small. They're not like exactly like fitted for the Happy Planner, but I like how it turned out. And then this washi, oh my gosh, like I'm not a bow person like at all, but I really like the look of these. And I like these three are like all together, kind of like little portraits, and then my to-do lists, and I just added like these 3 boxes. Like the boxes were the best, like these ones too. So they're pretty awesome, and I love her. I love her too. So yeah, like this is how it turned out, and I'm pretty, like I like it. It's pretty good. Like as far as considering that I haven't done like a kit, like I said, and it was a little hard to figure things out, but it turned out pretty well. And I like how the week itself, it matches, like there's like pink in there. So let me put it back in my planner. This is it. This is Personality Crisis, and I am loving the crisis. So gorgeous. I'm very happy, and yeah, it just makes me miss like buying like kits from like different shops. Ugh, probably gonna have to do that again, aren't I? So yeah, this is my video. Hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and of course, if you want to see more content from me, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.